When you think about a tool that could hurt you, I'd bet a utility knife is one of the first things that come to mind. Now, everybody knows that using a blade that's too small or too dull is an accident waiting to happen. And leaving a knife unattended, or prying something open with a knife, or stashing one in your pocket could land you or a coworker in the ER. Don't be careless. Snips, cutters, utility knives, and other cutting tools give you the power to cut through all kinds of materials, from fine wires to heavy-duty materials. You don't want to be one of them. So put on your safety gear and always choose the right cutting tool for the job. First, check your surroundings. Make sure you have plenty of space around you. Otherwise, you could unintentionally slice someone behind you, or they could bump into you and cause you to cut yourself. Always consider a material's thickness when selecting a tool. Never rock the tool while cutting. Work evenly and steadily to minimize your own risk of getting cut. Standard utility knife blades, snap blades, and round point blades like this one offer more ways to cut and to cut yourself. Keep safe by making sure the blade is sharp and seated properly in the knife. When you begin cutting, pull the knife toward you. Make sure to keep your body out of the cutting line. And don't forget to look around again for anyone nearby. When you're done, dispose of the dull blade in a blade container, or wrap it in thick tape before throwing it away. Now, usually, retractable blade knives are the safest choice, but sometimes the job calls for a fixed blade knife. In that case, always make sure to keep it in a holster when you're not using it. So, to recap, never leave a knife unattended or use it for an unintended purpose. Don't put a knife in your pocket. Always use the right cutting tool for the job. Start with a sharp blade that's big enough for the job. Dispose of used blades in blade containers or wrapped in heavy tape. And store a fixed blade knife in a holster.